Hello, everyone, and welcome to our part two lesson on business management introduction and functions. Let's go ahead and get started. Our objectives for this lesson are to understand the management functions: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, list the benefits to all the management functions, understand the decision-making process, know the different types of planning, define vision statements, mission statements, objectives, and goals, understand why businesses use vision and mission statements, goals, and objectives, and to know the differences between short-term versus long-term goals. So business management functions. Management duties are always continuous, but these constant duties can be organized into these main functions: planning, organizing, leading, controlling. Now, when it comes to business management functions, the planning is creating a detailed plan to meet goals by analyzing information, setting timelines, and making decisions. Planning is essential in business management because it helps facilitate progress. There are many benefits to planning, like it gives direction and it helps focus on goals, reduces the risk of uncertainties, provides commitment and drive, promotes innovative ideas, allows flexibility, and improves resource utilization. Let's talk about the decision-making process. Planning involves decision-making, and the best way to do that is by using the decision-making process. Now, the decision-making process is a series of steps to help an individual make the best possible choice to meet their needs. So let's look specifically at the decision-making process. First thing you've got to do is you've got to identify the problem. Next is you gather information. You consider all options and their effects. You choose an option and then you follow through. And finally, you evaluate your decision and you learn from it. And sometimes you have to go back to some of those other steps, like identifying the problem and gathering information in order so that you can continue. So it's not necessarily a linear set of instructions or process. Sometimes you have to go back and forth to be able to get the right information to make the right decisions. Now there are types of planning. So I've got a link to a video here, and you're going to watch this video over different types of planning, and take the time to continue filling out your notes while you watch this video. So you can jump to this video and then come back to jump to this YouTube video and then come back to this current one. All right, so let's talk about vision, mission, goals, and objectives. Part of planning well is knowing what your vision and your mission statements are, having set goals, and defined objectives. So what is the importance of each of these? Let's start with a vision statement. A vision statement is an inspirational statement that describes what a company wants to become. It helps define direction for planning, and vision statements help attract like-minded employees. It should say a lot, but with a few words. Next is a mission statement. This is a statement that describes the company's reason for existing now. It should be a sentence or a short paragraph. Mission statements should answer what your company does and how and why the company does it. We've talked a little bit about starting with why, so this is part of your mission statement. Mission statement focuses on the present, while the vision statement focuses on the future. Now, goals are a desired result that must be accomplished over a period of time. There are short-term goals, which is something that the business wants to accomplish in the near future. These take less than 12 months to achieve. Next, there are long-term goals, which is something that the business wants to accomplish in the future. It takes at least 1 to 10 years to achieve. Now, even on a personal level, we've been talking about businesses, but even on a personal level, you can have short-term goals, things that you want to achieve in 12 months or less. and you can have long-term goals which take more than 1 year. And there are objectives, finally. And objectives are something that one's efforts can accomplish to reach a goal. These help expectations, they measure progress, and are a great way to offer a sense of achievement. You want to keep these simple and attainable. So objectives are your steps to accomplish your goals. Now, when you're having vision, and when you have vision, your mission statements and your goals and objectives, they benefit businesses tremendously. They can also benefit you in your personal lives as well. All right, so that is our part 2 lesson on the introduction to business management and functions. Our goals, our objectives of this lesson were to understand the management functions, planning, organizing, we specifically talked about. In the next lesson, we'll talk about leading and controlling. We also listed the benefits to the management functions. Our objective was to understand the decision-making process, to know the different types of planning. We define vision statements, mission statements, objectives, and goals, and understand why businesses use vision and mission statement, goals, and objectives, and finally to know the differences between short-term versus long-term goals.